Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect the MetaTrader 4 to IronFX. And we can simply do this by going here to create or open a new account. And then right here select the account type. So let's do standard floating, select the currency, the bonus account, select right here the leverage. And then right now we click right here on this and then we do submit right here. Once we did that, we created our trading account, and now if we go to our email, they send to that email our login and our password. So right now what we need to do is go here to trading platform, and now we select right here the MT4 for Windows or MT4 for Mac OS, what you are using. And now we click here on download, and then he has here the MetaTrader 4 setup. So we click now there on yes. And then right here, we are doing the setup right here. Then right now we do finish right there. And then he is opening the MetaTrader 4. Then right here, we can do next. And then from here, we click on existing trading account. Now we go to our email address right there. And now we need to copy or log in and paste that right there. And we also need to copy our password from the mail and paste it right there. And now we click right here on finish. And then there it is. Now we just logged into our MetaTrader 4 account. And now once the market is open, we can start trading in the MetaTrader 4. So this is how you can connect IronFX to MetaTrader 4. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.